Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, hey girl, hey, I'm Sharon. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So for today's video, we are going to be doing this style. I hope you're not tired of it. It's my favorite. It's something that I love to do when I'm just like tired of everything, as I like to say, like tired of styling my hair, want a little bit of a breather. 13 braids, very quick, very easy. And this time I'm using hair that's already curled, so you literally don't have to go through the process of like putting a rise on, dipping it or steaming it or however you do it. It's literally just already curled, so it makes the process even quicker. Let's get into it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hey y'all, so this is everything I used for this style, starting off with the French curl braiding hair, and then the shine and jam, of course, a crochet needle. This one has a little bit of like a thicker hook part. It's just easier to fit thicker pieces of hair on it, some rubber bands, and once again the start of the show. Now y'all know me, I love to start off with sections, so I'm sectioning off my hair, 2 sections, the front and then the back, and then I work in those sections. It makes it so much easier when you are parting, because you only have to worry about parting in that section. Most of the time I do 4 sections, but because I'm only doing 13 braids, we have 2 sections today. So that back section is going to have 3 rows. So for the first row is just going to be 2 braids, so I'll part that down the middle and then add jam to the perimeter of the subsection, smooth her out, and then I throw a rubber band on. I always use 2 rubber bands, just personal preference. And then I did do like the rest of the parting off camera, and then I also did the first batch of braids off camera because I was just trying to see, like, is she gonna be cute, like what's she gonna give, you know. Also too, before I forget, I ended up using like 2 packs and then like a little bit of the 3rd pack for this hair. And for this hair, you don't want to just like snatch it apart super quick like how you would traditional braiding hair, because it'll be a tangled up mess. So make sure like when you are pulling it apart, you go in and kind of separate it a bit first and then pull it apart. So for these jumbo size braids, I like to take a thicker piece of the braiding hair and then crochet that in, going across. And then I always like to pull my hair like up, just so it could kind of go in a little bit easier. And then I take a thinner piece of hair and then crochet that in, going up and down, just because this smaller piece is going to be the piece that we kind of like put with our hair. So that thinner piece that we just crocheted in plus our hair makes the 1 piece of the 3 pieces for the braid. And I make sure to add jam to my hair, like just really on the ends, so when I'm starting to braid, the hair is not like sticking out, because my hair is very like unruly, a little bit of sweating, and she's like ready to start reverting. So now we're going to start braiding, and I'm doing a under braid because I've found that this is the only way for the rubber band to not show. And I've done this a few different ways, a few different times. I've been doing this for a minute, so like I said, that's what I found works best in the rubber band not showing. So then once I get further down, I'm trying to make sure that I kind of measure it out, so I put the rubber band in the right spot. And then obviously I add the rubber band, and I wrap this rubber band so many times it actually doesn't make any sense. Like, I want it to be very hard and firm and locked in place. Then I go in and trim, just because I like for the front pieces to kind of be a little bit shorter, and comb her out so she gets her curl back. And that's basically it. Okay y'all, so this is the final look. When I tell you, this French curl braiding hair made this process even quicker. For me, this is already a pretty quick style, which is why it's kind of like my go-to. I like to do it when I just kind of need a breather, need a break. This time around, I was like, let me try this French curl braiding hair. It's a bit of a different curl. Like this is more like a Shirley Temple kind of a curl instead of like what it would normally look like if you use like a flexi rod or something like that. But it still looks very cute, and it's so much quicker because you don't have to go through the process of rodding the hair and then dipping it or steaming it. Like it's literally you put the rubber band on and she's good to go, and then you trim if necessary. But like very quick, very easy. Yeah, y'all, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to go. I'm literally starving. Y'all know I don't eat like while I'm filming, so I'm about to literally tip over. So I'm gonna go. If you're interested in the hair, it will be linked in the description box. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and let me know down in the comments what you thought of the video and of the style and everything, and I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.